Our family run a sheep and cattle property, sort of probably 5 or 6 kilometres of Glenelg River. We have to look at other alternative ways of doing it, because like most farmers, you don't want to build something to have it washed down. Your conventional fencing doesn't stand up to it. Yeah, we just looked at a different alternative. My brother and I just did a few drawings or whatever and worked out a design. Yeah, and they've been fairly effective. We've had warning as to when the floods are going to come, so to drop down the 5 kilometres of fencing, it probably takes 2 hours. Or if it's about on your doorstep, the flood, you could probably do it a bit quicker. So since we've had them in, I don't know, they might have been there 4 or 5 years. We've had 2 floods over them, and yeah, the first flood that was over them was a fairly dirty flood, and yeah, the damage has been fairly minimal. A couple of broken wires would be about the extent of it. With the debris, to put it back up again, might have taken 4 or 5 hours, including a little bit of debris that got caught up on it. But besides that, we've had no major issues. So after seeing the 2 floods go over it, we've seen the amount of damage caused to permanent fencing in recent floods. So we're looking to put a patent on it so that other people hopefully can have a headache-free fence as well. What we've been able to do with CMA, it's made the management much easier. Like issues with lice and diseases have sort of been minimised. In the past, we've lost stock in the river from getting bogged and whatnot, bulls and whatever, and as well as just the time involved in mustering stock and getting clean musters. Made management a lot easier.